Hello guys, Ando from Wild Earth, and today I'm going to run through all the mandatory gear for Wild Earth Coastal High 50 and Wild Earth Coastal High Crunch. Also going through some extra bits and bits like you can use in the race, and that can help you to have a really good race. Before you get stuck into the mandatory gear, let's make sure you have a really good footwear. You have enough time to break in and come to the race day. You have the best option to yourself. Hoka has just released the new Speedgoat 6 shoes. Very breathable, are really comfortable, really good grip. You have the vibrant sole and also some of the best colors in the marketing. So to start, we're going to speak about a couple items which you're going to need just for the guys who are running a Wild Earth Coastal High 50 and not for the guys who are running Wild Earth Coastal High Crunch. Let's go. First item for the ones who are running the Wild Earth Coastal High 50 is the thermal top. You're going to start the race really early in the day, which on the mountains is very cold. So I choose a very breathable but also warm thermal top. A good option for the race will be the Icebreaker 200. It's a very comfortable, really breathable, and fits you well. The second item for the ones running the Wild Earth Coastal High 50 is the headlamp. You're probably going to look into something very comfortable, good lumens, which provides a lot of brightness for the ones who need to run into the dark. A good option, it will be the Black Diamond Spot 400. It's one strap over the head. You have the option of rechargeable or normal battery. 400 lumens, plenty for the ones who need to run into the dark. The rest of the items you need for both races, Coastal High 50 or the Crunch. You have to carry every single items with you the whole race. So let's get done. First item in our list, you need the waterproof jacket. Has to be seam sealed. Make sure it's very breathable and also ultra light and can fold very well to fit in your pack. One good choice for that one is the Mont Lightspeed Light. As you can see, they have a really nice colors, fully seam sealed. One of the best breathability in the marketing and a very good option for the waterproof jacket. Next item, we have the first aid kit. And what we have is a traditional space blanket. You have to carry your whistle. You have to carry a bandage, which is 7.5 centimeters by 2 meters minimum. And you also have to carry a strappy tape, which is 5 meters by 2 centimeters. Next item on the list is a 2 liters minimum water carrier capacity. For those 2 liters of water, you have few options. You can carry a 2 liters bladder in your backpack. You can carry some soft flasks. The best option will be a running vest. Camelback has released some running vests for running. 6 liters storage capacity. Also comes with 2 500 ml water flasks. And you have the option to have your 2 liters bladder in the back of your pack. Also in the list, you have a Ziploc bag, or you can have a waterproof bag to carry your leftover food or all your rubbish. I think one of good options for you is the C2 Summit Ultra Seal Dry Sack. 1.5 liter would be enough for carry your rubbish. Next item on the list is your mobile phone. You need to carry with you all day. So make sure you have that fully charged and inside your running pack. Next items in the list, you have the compass and also the race map. With those items, you can go physical or you can have them downloaded in your phone. If you go physical, a really good option for the compass is the Sunto clipper, very small. You can clip it in your gear or keep inside your running pack or your pocket. With the map, if you're gonna print the map, make sure you have a waterproof cover. If you choose the option to use your phone, make sure you download the app. I would recommend the Map Me because it also works offline. you can have the race map downloaded to your phone and also the compass. Now, to finish up the video, I have some extra items which are my recommendation. I have finished the race 5 times, and some of the items was very handy to help me to go into the cold morning and also help me with my nutrition. One of the items I recommend, which is not on a list, would be a really good pair of gloves. It's really cold in the morning, and have something to keep your hands warm, which is very breathable but also comfortable, is very important. I'll probably say the 2 times you run gloves unisex is a very good option. Also, make sure you get the right size. Another good option for the cold morning could be a bath. You can use that bath over your neck or on your head, covering your ears. I think a good recommendation for that. We Waldorf made our own bath, really colorful, good price point, and really good to carry if you anywhere in the morning. Nutrition, everyone has your own brand, but the brand in the day will be the Fix Nutrition. They have gels and also electrolytes. Make sure you try that before during your training sessions to make sure that it will be good to your stomach and sets well. We have the new Fix gels. We have different flavors, which is the brand I usually take with me. But also they make cramp fix shots in case if you struggle with cramps. That's a really good option. And now to finish well, I would recommend a really anti-relief chafe cream. As the last thing you want is go 10, 20 Ks into the race and start feeling that chafing annoying you for the next 30 Ks. Probably say the Squirrel Natural is a really good unisex option. If you can have that in your pack, or you can put that before the race starts. For people with more sensitive skin, you have Body Glide, which can be a really good option. Guys, I hope all those gears can help you during the race. If you need help, come to Waldorf. We have a store in Burley Heads, and you also have a store in Brisbane, DFO. But you can also find us online, www.waldorf.com.au. Don't get too nervous. Go out there, have fun, and do what you love. Thank you very much.